Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can show battery percentage in status bar of your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display and brightness. Now click on status bar and you will see one option battery percentage. Just you go to turn on the button against battery percentage and it will show battery percentage in status bar. See here 29% is showing. See in the bottom right side 29% is showing now. If you want to hide the battery percentage, then you go to turn off it. Now you will not get battery percentage in the status bar near battery icon. So in this way you can easily show battery percentage or disable battery percentage in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.